Hi everyone, welcome back to your daily motivation for the week, and it's Tuesday, so this is your Tuesday motivation. Today's message is all about failing and failing fast. Now, that's going to sound like a really weird message to talk about when we're kind of referring to success and being motivated and being pumped up to make your dreams come true. But failure is actually one of the most important parts of success. I think it takes experiencing failure and really pushing towards failure to really elevate you onto the path of success. All successful people are very good at failing and failing fast and failing often, because through failure is learning. Through failure is realizing exactly what you need to change to get closer to your goal. And actually, through doing all those things, you are making steps towards what it is that you want to achieve. I think that a lot of us have a fear of failure because we think that it means something negative. We think that it means that we are very far away from being the people we want to be or achieving the things that we want to achieve. But what failure actually means is that you're one step closer to figuring out what doesn't work and eliminating all the things that don't work and getting closer to uncovering the things that do work. So my tip for failing and failing fast is saying yes and declaring things a lot more. I think I have definitely in the past been scared to say yes to things that are unfamiliar or alien to me, and I have absolutely learnt to be a little bit more coy about the things that I want to achieve and declaring those things, because I feel like, oh, but if I declare them and if they don't come to pass, everybody will, think that I failed. Well, actually, they might. Honestly, they might think that. But a lion never loses sleep over the opinions of sheep. And I don't mean that in a mean way, but what I mean is that the masses are never really going to understand your vision or what you're striving towards, because that ultimately sits within you and that's down to you and it's your responsibility. So what I mean to say is that don't be afraid to declare what you want to whoever you feel you need to declare it to, whether that's God, whether that's the universe, whether that is your community or your friends or your family or whoever you need to declare that to, even if it's just yourself or within yourself. Declare it, because there's nothing more clear a message to send than declaring what it is that you want. And I think that it displays your commitment to it, and I think it displays that you're not afraid for people to know and you're not afraid to fail. Now, what I might do later on in this series is talk about how sometimes it's good to work in silence, but I do believe in declaring what it is you want. You don't have to do that on a public scale. You can just declare something to yourself, but I think you need to be very clear in your profession of whatever it is that you want. And don't be afraid to go for it, and don't be afraid to fail at it. Don't be afraid to try new things. Don't be afraid, full stop. Success is on the other side of fear, and success is also on the other side of failure. So go out and do things and try things, and don't always feel that everything has to be so pre-planned and it has to be at the right time in the right circumstances. Honestly, some of the best ideas never came out of perfect environments. So you need to give yourself plenty of opportunities to learn, because that's the only way that you're going to build up the experience or the exposure that you need to get to where you need to get to. So my message to you is fail fast and declare it to the world. I hope that this message has brought you some inspiration for the week. Happy Tuesday. Keep on striving, and I will see you tomorrow for Wednesday's motivational message. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more daily motivational videos. Make sure you turn on the bell icon so you get notified whenever I upload one of these in the mornings. It's normally at 7 o'clock. And do share this video with as many people as you can so that we can continue to grow this community and just really motivate each other. Thank you so much, and I will see you in tomorrow's video. Bye!